Headliner has the powerful feature of being able to take a link to an article, summarize it, and then convert it into a publishable video. In order to do this, open the Article to Video wizard in the project page. Once you've opened the wizard, you can copy and paste a link to an article to have summarized. You also have the option to write or copy and paste parts from an article into Headliner manually. After you've pasted your link, click Next. On the next page, you'll be able to see the text from both the original article as well as the summarized version of it. Remember to double check your summarized content for anything you didn't want included in your video. This could either be a line you didn't think was worth adding or the tags to a photo that the summarizer mistook as important information. When you're ready to move on, click Next. You'll then be able to select the aspect ratio for your video. Select the ratio that would work best for you depending on your video's destination. You will then be asked to select a song for your video from our library of royalty-free music. If you have your own song that you would like to use, select No Audio. You'll be able to upload a song from the video editing timeline. After your song has been selected, click Create Project. Once Headliner has completed creating your project, you'll be taken to the video editing timeline. If you didn't select a song on the previous screen, you will now be able to add one from an external source. Just click on the plus button that's beside the audio track and upload your file. You will then be able to trim the song to your liking before it's added to the timeline. With music out of the way, you can begin to adjust your timeline to your liking, starting with text. You can adjust the structure of your summarized sentences from the Transcript tab. You can adjust the timecodes for the text on this tab as well, or do it in a more visual way, which I'll show you in just a moment. You can use the Style window to adjust your text to share the same font, spacing, and color. After that, you can take things a step further by copying your text onto the timeline by clicking this button here. Copying your text to the timeline allows you to control things in a more intuitive way than working with timecode. It also allows you to vary your font size, and color within each text block, which means being able to emphasize words and phrases to your liking. It also enables you to add transitions to each text block, which will give your video a nice personal touch. After we've gone through our text and made all the adjustments we wanted to, we can go on to video. Headliner does a great job at selecting keywords for finding photos, but it can sometimes use a bit of help. In order to replace a clip on the timeline, simply click on it and click Replace. Replacing a clip will allow you to select a new piece of media to substitute into that previous clip's place. When you're selecting a new piece of media, you can either use one of the article's keywords, which are saved over here, or search for media using your own keywords. Headliner has a large library of photos, videos, and GIFs, so you can get really creative with the kind of media you select. Once you've gone through your video and gotten your clip selection to your liking, you're finally ready to export. Click the blue Export button, make any adjustments to your export settings that you may need to, and click Export one more time. Once exporting is complete, you'll get a prompt telling you that your video is ready, as well as an email from Headliner with a download link. On the download screen, you can watch your video, save it to your computer, or save it to your Google Drive or Dropbox account.